Today we're gonna make enemies follow you on Scratch. Let's go. So I got this movement going right here. As you can see, I can move. So what you wanna do is make a new sprite. Um, I'll make a sprite like a triangle, a red triangle for the enemies. So okay. So now what you wanna do is when green flag clicked, go to X, this X, and then Y. So for the Y, you wanna just like put the sprite up here and make it like 178 right now. So you gotta make it go to the top, so 178. And then the X, that can be so like go to operators, pick random, negative 233 to 233. So yeah, now it just changes now it just changes the spot where it is. So now what you want to do is go to right here. Then we get a point towards mouse pointer. Get a forever loop, and then we want to make this the player. Then just stick it right there. So it's always pointing at the player now. Now we want to do move steps. Move 10 steps. How about that? And then look, it'll just follow the player. So 5. Just make it slower. Yep, and that's how you make enemies follow you. You can cut the stuff for it to like be able to get you. So yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.